Hi, I'm Bhumi Gupta, and I'll be explaining the layers of the skin. So first layer is the epidermis, which can be seen here, and this is composed of 5 layers. So on the top we have stratum corneum, then we have stratum lucidum right here, and then we have stratum granulosum, which is right here, and then we have stratum spinosum, which is right here, and then we have stratum basale, which is right here. So stratum corneum is the outermost layer, and it is composed of 20 to 30 layers of cells, and it is an overcoat of the body, and it basically protects the body. Then we have stratum lucidum, which is right here, and this is located where skin is hairless and extra thick, so like on the palms of the hands and on the soles of the feet. Then we have stratum granulosum, which is right here, and this is the second deepest layer, and this is a little bit thinner layer of cells, and it is full of keratin. Then we have stratum spinosum, which is the third deepest layer, and this is a little bit thicker than the stratum granulosum, and this is also filled with a lot of keratin. Then we have stratum basale, which is a layer that is constantly going under cell division. Then we have the dermis layer, which is composed of dense connective tissue, and it has 2 major regions, which are the papillary layer and the reticular layer. And the papillary layer, the structures that it has are the dermal papillae, which are peg-like projections that contain capillary loops which supply nutrients to the dermis. And it also has house pain receptors and Messenger corpuscles, which are touch receptors. And then the function is that the dermal papillae, which are found on our hands and our feet, it basically forms ridges, which is very helpful in our fingerprint. So yes, and then we have the reticular layer, which is the deepest layer of the dermis, and it contains blood vessels and sweat and oil glands, and Pacinian corpuscles, which are deep pressure receptors, and it also, and the function is that it has phagocytes, which basically prevents bacteria from penetrating deeper tissue, and also this layer causes wrinkles as we age. Then at the end we have the hypodermis layer, and this layer is also called the subcutaneous layer, and which is actually not considered part of the skin, and it is composed of adipose tissue or fat tissue, which helps with insulation, and it keeps our body warm. And that is basically the layers of our skin. Thank you.